That. Is it Spanky? Is that corn? What about Simba? Huh? Look at that. Corn. Look at corn. You look at the cornfield? No? You get lost in there, huh? Look at that. Oh, Spanker. What's wrong, guys? Not going in it? Not even, huh? What's this corn? You, Simba? No. Oh, see, Simba? No corn? Make you go in. Oh, you won't. Hey, buddy. Oh, Spanky going in. Spanky. Hey. Where you at? Spanky, come here. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Spanky, get over here. Get over here. Spanky, I'm right here. Look, I'm right here. I'm right here. Come on. You're not gonna get lost. Don't let me come in there. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. Oh, you're not afraid of anything, are you? You silly boy. You're not afraid of anything. What are you, Simba? Thank you for being in the grass. Uh-oh. Your shoes. Your shoes. Simba. You're not afraid of the corn, huh? The pugs of the corn. You're having fun with the tall grass, huh? You're having fun with the tall grass. What are you, Simba? You ready to go? Come on. There's a long ways to go. Come on. Wanna go back?